In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to another page within your Wix site. This is a crucial skill for anyone looking to improve the interactivity and navigational flow of their website. By linking pages, you can guide your visitors toward important content or sections, enriching their browsing experience. Now, let's dive into the steps to make this happen seamlessly. To begin, open your site within the Wix editor. This is your primary workspace where all the magic happens. Once you have your site loaded up, the next step is to select the element that you want to make clickable. This could be anything, a button, an image, or even an icon. Essentially, any element that you want to act as the trigger for redirecting your visitors to another page on your site. With your chosen element selected, direct your attention to the toolbar or the settings specific to that element. Here, what you're looking for is the link icon, which typically resembles a chain link or a link symbol. This icon is your gateway to setting up the connection between your element and the desired page on your website. Go ahead and click on that link icon, and you'll see a link settings panel pop open. This is where you get to do a bit of configuration. First, you'll choose the link type. For our purposes today, you'll want to select Page as the type of link. Once done, a list will likely appear, giving you options of which page on your site to connect to. This is a handy feature to ensure you're linking to the exact page you want your users to visit. There's an additional option you might want to consider here. You can choose whether the linked page opens in the same window or in a new one. If you prefer that your visitors remain on your site without navigating away from the current page permanently, choose to open the link in a new window or tab. This keeps your current web page readily accessible while still allowing them to view the linked content. Once you've made all your selections and configurations in the link settings panel, click Done. Congratulations, you've set up the link. But wait, before you wrap everything up, it's always a good practice to test your work, save or publish your site to see everything live. Then, preview your website and try clicking the element you just linked. Confirm it takes you to the right page. This step ensures all your painstaking work is functional and accurate. And there you have it. A straightforward way to add interactivity to your Wix site by linking between pages. By following these steps, you've made navigation a breeze for your visitors, and that's a big step towards a more user-friendly website.